I found a palette in Anne's collection called Poolside. It is by IBY Beauty, and it has a mirror. I'm going to try to do this without blinding everybody. These are the colors in it. I know we swatched it some time ago when we first got it. I want to make some eye looks with it. Sort of a how-to tutorial. I need a brush. I need a lot of brushes. Hold that thought. Okie dokie. She is ready to get to work with lots of brushes. So let's see what Miss Fatima can create. And be sure to comment on your favorite looks. And here we go. For this eye look, Fatima first went in with this shade up in here and a little bit down and around just as a bit of a base. She then went in with this shade around and about and a little heavier in the outer corner area, and then used a healthy helping of this shade across the eyelid for a nice, shimmery, glistening, fun poolside look. For this next look, Miss Fatima started again with this shade just under the eyebrow, and then went with this shade next underneath that, bringing it down a little bit. And then this shade here in the outer corner and started to blend it upwards. And then her favorite, this shade, on the eyelid area. And then she went back and blended these shades in and over to make it a little bit more of a cohesive blend rather than a sharp angle. And for this final look, she started again with her favorite base shade up underneath the eyebrow area. She then went to this shade here, doing a small arc. She then tackled this shade here, heavily both in the outer and inner corners, and then blending them together in the middle. And then she went to her favorite shade up here, which is called Caliente in the palette, although I think she has named it Hot Camel, and used it in the center and then blended a bit to bring the colors together for a softer edge rather than a hard edge. We hope that you enjoyed the looks that Fatima created with the Poolside Palette from IBY Beauty. It is still available for purchase for about $25. I had fun. Be sure to comment on what you liked from my collection of creations. Now I'm tired. I need a nap. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, notification bell. You know the whole routine. And we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Can I take my nap now? Okay, you can go take your nap. I think she's falling asleep. Oh, that's not exactly the end of view that people wanted to see. She was hard at work. Sleepy camel.